park ni so nti na nka ni kwa so oji go embra ben so na kire se wo free park so a eni kwa se referee ji go na watam asem we e de akwa kodina Supreme Court say yenka bi ma na former president so tro bastardize Supreme Court say de omo ye no omo ntwanche former president o kasa ya akirem mu say de ye kan ya say bi one piece na omo kupa no omo ye tibo nkoso de omo koye you see edu ba bi a emra na edu ba bi a na e di fie nyansa ho nti NPP MPs no omo di fie nyansa ene BT mu e fie nyansa na da bia ka se NDC MPs mu nkope bi no eno no omo di BT mu no because mu nya fie nyansa wo parliament wa mu nkokon tokwa se mu nya fie nyansa wo nkoye se gidigidi mi ko bu obi tie kunyam ne nka de bebo no akoto twede wonni fie nyansa de a da bia de ka woni na da bia so nyansa win eno na aka mu amode kwaje 7-0 e wo court. Okay, mummy heard the ruling a by was it in exercising our discretion on whether to grant or refuse this application, we have considered one, this is the Supreme Court ruling. We have considered one, the nature of the relief sought, that is, declaration that an act of parliament is null and void. Okay, Supreme Court say, yeah, babe, no more said the omode by no eto asuma the ombe the greater inconvenience or irreparable harm or loss which the parties will suffer, including the likely issues in refunding numerous tax deductions, should be reinforced. Okay, the nature of the legislation which is under attack, including the fact that the act under review is just any legislation, it is a tax on the issuer. And the Supreme Court, so better say, Ashia and say, Sebi, and someone would the only country say, Parliament proceedings near course, Supreme Court bet me the Constitution of Ghana. And we are one. And we are almost catch there say, the empty almost in Germany say, as some omu be never be court, and to omodi court on it dear. E betima ba se e ba o mbedi bi mo di bi ma o ma ya ate o mu nyina ya ate o musika enti aban no so ntimi en refund ma wo mu enti sa dia yi levi yentwam dia to so mienu na afesu ya kwakọ se o ma o mu gigi yi levi no enso o mu na momra kwan so ana okay mo mi enko ye ni dia to so me ensa na me kan dia to so na say whether public interest and welfare of Ghanaian people is better protected by grant or refusal of the injunction sought. Being a public law application, we have also considered the legal maxim omnia presumptua right excepta with a Latin word and its application to the official act such as an act of parliament. This is legal presumption which is gained statutory recognition under section 37/1 of the Evidence Act 1975. Okay, there said etieni and he said emrebi wo honoma ye jitum falasa jese wo evidence contrary to the ejitum. Se yaka se minister also for hwe kwan so a ye nyina ye emra no mai kwan se ye gitum se o de sika no ye kwan no pepepe o na mra kwan so jese wo so wo adanse ye se on fa mra kwan so na wo betimi di adanse abekire no wo de ba e na wotimi be reverse no eno ene de medi kan e kan sisi a so enti say what the asem say court now yes a ma adwen ye me say me susu say wo court dia now say bi wan fanya asem an court enti the 7-0 now mo kwaje court na afi no o mbe say o mo yes court no ewia wo mo no kwase bi jimifo bi ni aboa bi awo ye frɛ no Kofi Ezeko jimi papa wa ba ha wa ho NDC fo jimifo ni bi o ma jimi tu aboa me ti mi page so no mi nya free ha wa betra ha no ma wutie nyansa won se o ho hyehye wa aboa ba mo me enkoso ka se ye bejeja mo na mo de mo ba ye so NDC fo de jimi na mo didi atema na wa beka ne ye jeja ma afi ye nya ni sa o de ba ye betwa ma o kwaso ya se to ato ba bi bone adofo mo fa nchem ne enko na moa no ebi ba sa na ya na say tima wo mo no mo. Okay, mo man ruling now buy. Thank you, Deborah. Mo man ruling buy. Or say Supreme Court say in the official act by organs of the state and government department are presumed to be regularly performed unless there's strong evidence in rebuttal. And the says here, say a minister, watching no good afternoon, your foul minister. Or my money na presume say sika bi ebefa on say bia o de ye ministerial job just say me ka say won fa nye dia just say me kita dance e de eko etiao e wo court of law, competent court of law, and sana ye nyina ye betimi agi atum say ampa wan fa nye adwuma. Okay, in balancing the hardships in the event of the applicants succeeding in their claim to declare electronic transfer levy unconstitutional and therefore null and void, the sum deducted on transaction could be refunded as aforesaid. And now, only say, yenkum, kopim say, as some of the aqua die court, no. Yebeka sa asem na wie, ni yeka sa asem ni wie na se ekoba se omudi bem dia na eche se oma ya ti omusika nyina no. Ense de a oma de mo. And the Supreme Court say ampa de mo kanu de wom na emom nyansa mu no ye ti omo a aban no sa de omusika asa mo omo no ebetumi aye na emom efri na ekoya akopum se ebedi sa mo asem na wie no si ewie a ye ntumi nkasa wo na e wo se ye ti oni antew nti ye beka ni nyina bom ye de atew enti no asama mo de bae no ye tena so ehwe ni ya ye ntimi nyintum because de mo ka no ye gitum a ebe ha Ghana fo a chen sede mo ka no aban say data wo ho mate usika enya mra kwan so no mate wa metimi du usika ma wo so say da bi aban ente no jano manenko ne mo ye di asem ni wie ni ehwe na esenke etena ebi anka ese every day bia na yete no 5 Ghana na sa asem yi be take ye 4 months de ye Ghana ya asem ti ebi kula timi ko 8 months can multiply 5 times 30 times 8 na chese nipa ba ko ohia ni no be ya ma afi de ye ba be je no ho no e bia be 1005 Ghana cedis. This is the NDC thinking. NDC wo mo thinking o me so o mo dwin bonkum ni fa ni o mani so. This cannot be a party or your alternative because 50 time on opposition, you know. The abani yankwan or mubo de. We want an alternative government in opposition. Some of which say free SHS, you know, a boy a kafaha, a mini sika, and tinia ba free SHS, you know, yadisika some no befaha. This is alternative governance. Mobile say e-levy no more kase Ghana form. This is what we're going to do to take away e-levy. This is an alternative governance. But